Hello guys, Undead here. Welcome to another unboxing.
What are we unboxing today?
This RC car, remote control car, 3D light, music, and it's made by Gallop, cross country real racing, and the specs are factory assembled, front and rear suspension with coil spring shock units, semi proportional right and left steering plus forward and reverse sealed gearbox. They're the specs with a controller. And
we're looking about underneath then, what we're doing about underneath.
And on the back there is the 3 colours to collect, and you can see that's the colour I've got. And you see the colours and spring with light, stop, RC high tech. And this is the Tours and Howard.
Let's have a look underneath the box.
And it has these batteries.
So rechargeable battery and then batteries to go in the thing. So can you get it unboxing please?
Okay.
Let's get it open then.
You don't need a sellotape. Sellotape horror. Or do I? I do. Sellotape horror. There's sellotape. So I'll eat this Tories and Howard. Official sweets. Blood orange and honey. Dad is unboxing it. Technically I'm unboxing it. It's my car. That's my reinforcement. And let's eat the Toys and Howards. Let's get into it. Let's get brigaded. So I get the car out. Why are you not talking then? There. Hey ho, hey ho. Don't get polystyrene on the face. Breaking the polystyrene. Not Daddy, you'll break it. So really rip it. So here's the car. So there's the car. Nice car there. Nice.
That's the remote control?
What's this?
That's the remote control.
Yeah, but this
Part
is
of the remote control. Of course.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's a plug here.
There you go, screws in there.
There's a wire in here.
That's the charging cable. Can you screw? There's a screw. There's your remote. I think it goes backwards and forward and side to side, left and right. It's this one that goes forwards and backwards and side to side. And there you go. And it's made out of plastic, hard plastic. You can see there's shock absorbers. So there's coils, there's springs. The wheels are plastic. The batteries go under here. You can need a screw to open those up. I don't know why they always do that, put screws on. There's an off and on switch. I think that's off and this is off and on. And that's things the direction of the wheels. You can see there it moves side to side. Like that. So there it is. I'm not sure if you best get one of those on the road.
It's got music.
It's got music to it as well. So 3D music.
3D lights.
3D lights. And I think it can go over different, like, it's not one of those ones that can't go over like rocks in the road or bricks or anything like that. Because you can tell by the wheels, it's quite grippy. The wheels are thick, and they've got this little thing, so it can.
Maybe it can run
Plus, it's
over.
got suspension as well, so I'm sure it can go with different types of.
It's
rocks
got
and
springs as well.
stuff. Okay. Can you say goodbye to everybody?
Bye. Down. Howard and Howard.